Hey, this is Brian from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let people know that I put together this quick report concerning things what I call next generation in trading. This is in conjunction with using quantitative analysis or Quant. Also, a form of high frequency trading. Obviously, it's more based around electronic or automated trading, and the skill sets you probably need to get you started in this arena for next generation trading. So let's get started. Okay. First question is, you're going to ask you, what is Quant? Basically, in a sentence, I just call it recognizing patterns of noise. E.g., market data is a good example of noise. So basically, what you're trying to do is you're trying to find algorithms that you can use that can hopefully profit from that noise within the markets. Also, one thing that people need to understand is this is typically the secretive profit centers for a lot of banks and hedge funds. So what they do is they hire quants and they pay them very, very well, better than even VPs in various banks. So I don't want to go too much into it, but I do have a better description of it through this link right here on my quantlabs.net blog. So if you want to read more about it, obviously there's good searches on YouTube for that as well. So what is automated trading and or high frequency trading? HFT is known. Basically, it's automated trading, which is using a programmatic trading rules that engage in the markets, meaning they might predict or forecast the markets. They obviously are going to put market orders into the markets and whatnot. So that's pretty well what automated trading is in a sentence. Now, from there, a lot of people might not know, but high frequency trading represents over 80% of all trading volume on exchanges like the NYSE and even other markets as well, and it's been growing. Probably been hitting a peak right now because quite possibly high frequency trading might be somewhat on the decline, but it is going to turn into more of this automated trading, whereas more and more retailers are jumping in with automated trading as well. So again, I've explained a better definition of what high frequency trading is through this link here. Just don't want to spend too much time on these definitions. I like to keep these videos short and presentations short. Okay, so what are the skills needed to maybe get into this arena and possibly even start your own quantitative analysis or trading business as an independent? One thing that needs to be understood is that programming skills are definitely a must in order for you to be successful. And my philosophy is you need to adopt a do-it-yourself type of attitude in order to develop your own secretive and possibly profitable trading strategies. So that's something you need to consider. You could outsource, but you should only be outsourcing to developers you trust. Now, if you are starting from ground zero, the languages I like and the technologies I like are .NET, C#, Windows, because they're just easier to work with. Once you start moving into command line stuff like Linux and whatnot, you got more things to worry about, more things to break, and just more variables and factors to learn. So because Windows is more graphical, you have less to maintain and worry about. I mean, I think Linux is probably the better, more secure way of doing things, but when you're starting from ground zero, this is a good development stack to go with, their technology stack with .NET and Windows. Also, sometimes you might want to do prototyping, algorithms, and researching. A really good environment for that is Matlab. One powerful thing that I do love about Matlab is the ability to what I call code-generating to C++, which as a programming language, C++ is clearly the fastest, and it's pretty well the standard de facto when it comes to any trading platform and writing quant type of algorithms and strategies and models. So those are pretty well some of the skills you need. Now you might be asking yourself, how do you get started in quant as a career? Just so everybody knows, as I said, the quants make big bucks, and they cover various aspects: quant finance, high frequency trading, automated algorithmic trading, and this YouTube video is my most popular video on my YouTube channel, and it seems to a lot of people like it because it goes over a whole spiel of what's needed with getting into the world of quant as a career, or even if you're just like a young person wanting to study quant, or things that will lead you into quant as a career. All right, so in terms of my business of quantlabs.net, I've got like probably literally hundreds of resources available for you. If you want to learn some of the technologies and the models and strategies, I have a Quant Labs Academy I set up a few months ago. This is the site here. I also got a membership, and we also got our newsletter, which is free. So you can do join through this link, as well as our daily blog at this site right here. Hopefully I'll help you out. Got questions, let me know. Talk to you later.